everybody. My name is Sapna and welcome to Sapna Master IELTS. This video is related to the cue cards which are really important for your next exam. So prepare it so that you can score well and you can come out with flying colors. So here is the first cue card. All the cue cards are given by the students who have been recently asked by the examiners. So let's get started. The first one is holiday movie that you watched and environmental protection law your country should have. Next one is that was asked in Moga. A friend habit means a habit which is of your friend and you would like to develop. And the intro questions were related to pets, then public garden and Gold Coast. Next one is the introductions were questions were related to clothes, study or work and travel. Cue card was related to a company in which a lot of people are employed. Next cue card was a plan in your life which is not related to work or study, and the intro questions were hometown, advertisement and place you would like to go and enjoy. Then next question was related to a time when you were not allowed to use the phones, and this is the repetitive cue card. This has been asked by asked to many of the students. Next one was the first part was related to relaxation. The second part was again a time when you were not allowed to use the phone, and the follow up, that is cross questions related to difference between youngsters and elders. How do they use the phone? Next one, a local news which people are interested in. Next one, part one was related to a childhood school. Then part two was tallest building that in your city which you like or dislike. And the third part was means the cross questions follow up was that was related to design of different buildings in your country. Then the next cue card was related to a time when you were not allowed to use the phone. This is again the same place where you visited on vacations and that was recommended by your friends. And next one, a time when you shifted to new school or a home. Next cue card was when you paid more than expectations on something and a sportsman who did really well. Next one was video calling. Actually, mostly the speakings are being done on video call these days. Part one was on house and apartment and flowers. Part two was the tallest building in your city that you like or dislike. And the third one, why people like to live in tallest buildings, means tall buildings, advantages and disadvantages of it, and job of architecture is tough or not. Next one was a creative person, and general questions were related to study or television. Follow-ups were related to children creativity. Next one was part one was about clothes, festival, daily routine. Then part two was a city in which you would like to live in future. Next cue card is a person from your primary school you have good memories with. Next one is a pet animal, which was an introduction questions, work related questions also. Then cue card was a foreign person who would you have heard of and you know who is interesting. Third part was foreign friends, then international relationships of a country, how to improve the relationship between the two countries with the help of sports. Next cue card was a person who is interesting, that is who belongs to foreign. Next one was the intro part was related to study, shoes and concentration, and part two was an item on which you spend more than your expectations. Then we had introduction questions related to house, apartment, environment, and cue card was related to an activity you do after school. Cue card questions were related to risky activities. These were the questions, these were the cue cards given by the students. This was a list given by the students. This is really important, so you must use it and you must prepare according to your exam. So all the best guys, do well and happy Diwali. May you have this Diwali the prosperous as well as the happiest as well as the safest one. Take care, all the best for your exam, do well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.